Before the first bite, I pause and say something simple in a grateful way. I join my hands and start the meal. It's more than manners, it's how we feel. It's not a prayer, it's not a rule, it's cultural care, it's how we do. Itadakimasu, that's the sound. Say it loud when food comes round. Itadakimasu, say it when you eat. Go-chee-soh-sah-mah-deh-shtah, that's when you're complete. Every meal, every day, Japanese style, the thankful way. Even a snack or something sweet, before I chew, my words repeat. Moms and chefs and farmers too made this moment just for you. Not just words to throw away, it's how we honor food each day. Go-chee-soh-sah-mah-deh-shtah, when you're done, it shows respect to everyone. Itadakimasu, say it when you eat. Go-chee-soh-sah-mah-deh-shtah, that's when you're complete. Every meal, every day, Japanese style, the thankful way. Say it before ee-tah-dah-kee-mahss, say it after go-chee-soh-sah-mah. Shokuji means the meal, teをあわせる, that's the feel. Reigi means manners deep inside. Nihongo way of daily pride. It's not just thanks or a casual part, it's words of gratitude from the heart. いただきます食べる前にいつも言います。手を合わせて心の中でありがとう。誰が食べ物を作った人、運んだ人、机を用意した人、全部大切です。ごちそうさまでした。食べ終わってから言います。美味しかった、ありがとう、ごちそうでした。この二つの言葉は命を大切にするためにあります。毎日言ってみましょう。いただきます。ごちそうさまでした。One before, one when you're through. Say them right, it's up to you.